So here is the before of my model, and here is me now getting started. And as you can see, I've taken a section down the center back of the head, dividing the right side from the left side, and taking two A-line sections that I'm combing down now and creating my outline. As you can see, I'm combing the hair straight down and basically holding the hair with my hands or the comb and using the scissors to cut in my new outline, my new length. And I'm going to do this throughout the rest of the hair to establish that new length. I'm going to continue to take A-line sections, combing the hair straight down, using this very first section that I'm cutting right now as my guide, and basically establishing a new length throughout the rest of the haircut. So now that I've completed cutting all of the sections on the left side, establishing that length and that outline, it is now time to do the exact same thing on the right side. So I'm going to continue to take A-line sections on the right side, working my way up the head, combing the hair straight down, using the underneath section as my guide to continue to establish the outline for the rest of the haircut. Now that I have completed cutting in the outline in the back, it is time to create the frame the face layers. So as you can see, I'm combing the hair straight down, holding the hair in my hand, and basically using the scissors similar to as a pencil, sketching in that new frame the face layer outline that I'm looking for. So I've completed the framing the face layers on the left side, and I'm now going to basically do the exact same thing on the right side. to cut in the interior layers. And as you can see, I'm taking a center section down the middle back, and I'm going to comb the hair straight back. But I'm going to create more of a rounder layer. So I'm going to comb the hair back, and then I'm going to take that same section I'm holding and start to lift it. You can see right here, I'm lifting it a little bit higher and rounding that layer, and then I'm giving it a little bit higher and rounding it some more. By rounding these layers, it's going to make the layer a little bit shorter, which is of course going to make the hair a little bit lighter, which of course will be able to make the hair have a little bit more volume. So I'm going to work my way from that center section to the left side, taking sections on the left-hand side, over directing to the previous section to cut the layers on the left side. And then once I'm done doing the left-hand side, I will do the exact same thing on the right side. Alright, now that I've completed cutting the layers on the left side, as you can see right here, I am now going to do the exact same thing on the right side. So now that I've got the hair all dry, I want to cross-check the frame the face layer. So as you can see, I'm going to take the hair, I'm going to hold the hair in my comb, and then use my scissors to sharpen up that frame the face layer outline. So we're just wrapping up the haircut by now cutting in the bangs, and once the bangs are all cut in, we will be officially done. As you can see, we have now completed the haircut, and we've completed the round layers throughout this haircut to make the hair a little bit lighter, to make the layers a little bit shorter, so that the hair could have a little bit more volume. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, please don't forget to put them down in the comments section below. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I want to thank you so very much again for watching.